Hi, I'm Cheryl and welcome to the Sewing Room channel. I'm real excited about this tutorial because I'm doing one of my favorite types of placemat, and that's this one with the large border on it. Now I will give you an option of either using cotton batting and doing quilting stitches like this, or you can use fusible interfacing or fusible fleece, and it's just very flat. You don't have to worry about any type of quilting stitches. All of the supplies are listed below your YouTube screen in the description section. Okay, let's get started. Take your fabric B, and this is the pretty side, or it's also called front side or right side, and put it pretty side down like this. So you're looking at the back or not so pretty side. Take a ruler, and I'm going to go in 3 inches from the edge, and then draw a line. Then turn your fabric and do it again. So on all 4 sides, you're going to draw a line 3 inches in from the raw edge. If you are using the fusible interfacing or the fusible fleece, take your A fabric and on the back side of it, the not so pretty side, and take your either fleece or the interfacing. The glue side is up, so lay it down with the glue side up, place your fabric A on top, and fuse it on following package instructions. If you're going to use cotton batting, go ahead and place your fabric B down. That's the fabric that's for the back and is also your border. Take your cotton batting and your fabric B and center it within inside of those lines that you drew. Then scatter pins all over the top and do your quilting stitches. So you can do just straight lines 2 or 3 inches apart, going up and down, and then of course go back the other way 2 to 3 inches apart, going side to side. Or if you want to get really decorative, you can use a serpentine stitch and just even go on a diagonal line. So after you've done your quilting stitches, then you're going to take the 2 longest edges here. Take the raw edge and fold it over and press it all the way down. Then fold it over and press it folded over this fabric A. Then place pins all along this edge all the way down to here. Then you're going to do a top stitch. You're going to stitch right down over in this corner, back stitch, and stitch all the way down to here and back stitch. Then you'll go to the opposite edge and do the same thing. Now go to the other 2 sides and fold the edges over and press 1/4 of an inch. Now at all of the corners, you're going to fold it like this. You're going to take this corner and bring it down to where the edge of the fold is against the edge here. And press it. And do the same thing over here. Fold it over and press it. Then fold it over again and press it again on this edge right here. Now you're going to start stitching in one of the corners. So start down here, stitch up to here, leave your needle down, lift your presser foot and turn the placemat. Stitch all the way over to here. Again, leave your needle down, turn the placemat and stitch down to here. And make sure you back stitch at both corners. Here's the one with the cotton batting, and this is what it looks like from the front. I'm going to flip it over so that you can kind of see the quilting stitch pattern even on the back. I'm using matching thread to the fabric on the back. And then here's the one that just has the interfacing or fleece in it. So this is what it looks like, and then on the back it's very plain. Well, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and that you learned something new. This has to be my favorite placemat. I love this large border on it. If you're interested in other placemat tutorials or beginner sewing projects, then scroll down below your YouTube screen in the description section, click on Show More or the down arrow, and that section will expand open and you will see all of the links appearing. Now be sure and follow me on Instagram and check out my Facebook page. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time, and happy sewing. If you like the Sewing Room channel, one of the best ways to show your support is to subscribe by clicking on that red subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to click on share to share this video with your friends. And make sure you click on the bell so you receive notifications for all my new videos. I'm Cheryl, this is Manny, and this is Scotty. See you next time.